Tigger. Called Tigger. Skip! Oh, look, he's walking the tunnel. Oh. Hello. Hello, me, Julie. I'm the strongest person in the world. I thought that hurt a little bit, didn't it? Hello guys, I'm Bradkin. Hello guys. It's just them. Hello guys, just Devon. You're gonna do a video. Hello guys, Devon, keep me spot because someone keeps you.